Let's start.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon. Good night.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm pretty good. Thank you. Maybe
Nah,
let
nah.
me introduce myself first.
Okay, that's okay.
Okay. My name is Siti Izzah, and you can call me Izzah. I'm 21 years old, and I'm student of Sultan Ageng Islamic University. Now, I would like to make a video assignment. This is the interview. The goals from this interview is I want to know about the society and British people. And first of all, I would like to say thank you very much because uh, you are helping my assignment.
It's okay.
Okay, maybe can you introduce yourself?
Okay, hello. My name is Michael Sarre, but you can call me Mike. And then I'm 18 years old. I live in London. I'm studying and I'm working.
Okay, where do you live?
Sorry?
Where do you live?
Where do I live in London?
Oh, London. How long you live in London?
What?
How long? How long
How
you live
long have I
in London?
been in London? I've been in London since I was born, but I keep going back to my country and like that. So I live in London since I was born, basically. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So what are you doing? I mean, like, what's your activity for daily?
Sorry? I
What's
can't
your
hear you
activity?
clearly.
Yeah, yeah.
What is my what?
What's your daily activity? Maybe you can explain to me.
Oh, my daily activities. I see. My daily activities. So I'm working as a part time, and then I'm doing my college as a part time. So I'm doing my college like 3 days a week, and I'm working 4 days a week. So normally, wake up in the morning, play some football, and I'm going to work.
Oh,
And
that's that's fun.
what about you? What about you? Daily
Um,
activity.
I do basically I do the different things for the daily my daily activity. I wake up and I pray and I go to my college and sometimes I join for organizations, social activity for volunteerism, yeah, like that. And
Okay.
sometimes, yeah, I have a side jobs as a makeup artist.
Okay.
And that's all. Maybe okay. We move to our interview.
Okay. Let's get it.
Okay, you ready?
Of course, always.
Okay. First, I will ask you about the culture. Maybe you can explain to me what's the culture of British people, like maybe the national culture or individual culture.
Okay. For the British people culture, I think I think that they follow the kings. Like they
Mhm.
have a king that they trust into it. So everything like everything that they want to do or everything, like in president, yeah, they just if you want to do anything, you can tell the president. But in here, they will just follow the king. So that's the culture. They don't have a culture that like dance or anything, but they just follow the king. You know what I mean?
Oh, okay. I see. How about the individual culture? I mean, like
Individual culture.
lifestyle.
Yeah. Okay. In here, if you can do anything like you want to do, like in the culture, you can do like dance to show the people that your culture doing this. But in here, you can do that, and people don't really care about it, and they just respect for the. If you have a culture, they just respect for your culture.
Oh, I see. I
Yeah,
see.
so if you have something like a day for the culture, like a day that you need to celebrate your culture, you can celebrate it and people just fine with it. They don't mind it.
Oh, okay. So, to be honest, when I looking for British people, I found a lot of people that they are immigrants, and what do you know about them? And then maybe you can explain to me how's the culture of immigrants, or how's the difficulties of immigrant in British, especially in London, maybe.
Okay, immigrant. Because I'm an immigrant, so I think it's really good because you get opportunity that sometimes that you don't have, like in your country, you don't have the opportunity. So when you came here, there's every opportunity that you can get to, but you just have to be ready, And then there's like course, college, university, you can go as an immigrant, you can go, but you have to stay here more than 3 years. Like if you just came, you have to stay here more than 3 years. If you are immigrant, you have to stay more than 3 years so you can go to school. But as an immigrant, you have to work so you can pay the rent for the house because you don't have your own house. So you have to rent it so you can pay. Maybe you need three or four, five friends to live together so you can pay together,
Oh
And
yeah.
then people here is they're all really nice. So you just have to don't mind them, There's racist people, they don't like you, but still you can't make people like and then you just have to deal with it. But
Okay.
as an immigrant, I think it just how you find to deal with it in this country. So yeah.
Oh, okay. So you say that you are immigrants, right? Oh, what do you think? Is there maybe the British people welcome enough to the immigrant?
You mean like they don't like us, like
Yeah,
racism,
yeah, yeah. Hmm.
Uh, I think there's not many. A lot of British people that I'm friend with, they're all good. I can't say all of them because most of my friends they're all really good. They're British people, but they're really really nice. There's not much of the racism. But in London, I think because there's a lot of immigrants, so everyone just fine with it. Like if you go into the countryside, there's just them. There may be some racism there, but you just have to deal with it. You can, you came to this country as an immigrant. You just need to focus on what you decide or you know, what you put your mindset into it. You know what I mean?
Hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
but there's not much of a I I don't really get, like your most racism. I don't really get the racist.
Hmm.
All the people that friends with, they're really good people.
Oh, okay. I see. I see. So maybe you don't have difficulties to adapt it as immigrant with the British people.
Uh no, but if you're an immigrant, you have a difficulties about the money, you just have to support the family in where's your country is, support you have to send the money, like your brother, your dad, your mom, or your grandparents. That's the difficult, the money. You just get wage, enough wage, so you don't spend much. You need to save, you need to pay their house, maybe you send to your family. Yeah, so it's not that hard, but for some people it is really hard, maybe when you have to go when you go to work, you have to need like some documents so you can go to work. But if you're an immigrant, it's really hard to sort out the documents, maybe take like 1 or 2 years.
Oh,
So
wow.
it's hard for people that they don't work because they have to pay the house, they have to eat,
Mhm.
yeah. But
Yeah.
for me personally, I don't think it's really hard. It's life. So you
Mhm.
just
Yeah.
have to deal with it. You have to going for work, study, and then maybe you're just doing the same thing again, or just plan something else.
Yeah. That's consequence, right?
Hmm.
Okay. Maybe I have to ask the question. That's quite sensitive. Maybe what's your religion?
I'm Catholic.
Oh, you're Catholic. So
Yeah.
how how do you think about the different religion? I mean, the majority of British people is Christian, Catholic, or Protestant. Uh, how do you think about maybe I'm a Muslim? You can accept or not as British people?
Of course, in here, I think in England, I think there's all the religion, like all the religion is they have in this country, but all of them they don't mind each other. You know, if you're like Muslim, when it's time for your time to pray, and then you can just go pray. There's nothing people like they don't like about this. They don't about. There's no much of this. So about religion, people don't really mind each other. You know, I have a lot of friends that different religions. Some of them don't have a religion. But British people, most of them don't have a religion. They just live the way their life is. You know, they go into work. They just believe. You know, their own. They just believe that there's a God that create their spiritual.
Okay.
So yeah, they don't have a exact religion, but I think most people in England they are like British people. Most of them don't have a religion, but the most religion is I think is Christianity. British people, yeah.
Oh, oh,
Mm.
okay. I see. Um, you are a Christian, and then you live in UK, especially in London, is for a long time since you was born, right? So, uh, what do you think about the British people is welcome enough for the other religion?
Okay. You mean like welcoming other religion?
Mhm.
Yeah, there's no problem. You know, there's also welcome. I see a lot of Muslim. I don't know what to say. I don't know. I asked someone. You know, like a church, but for Muslim people. There's a lot of in here.
Mhm.
And there's a church, you know, I don't know how to say it, you know, what's that code again? But you know what I mean, right?
Mhm. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, but they also welcome him about the religion. They don't because in London there's a lot of immigrant, a lot of religion, a lot of people, so they don't mind each other. They always welcome him, you know. They
Mhm.
just if you are this religion, they just don't care as long as we still friends, you know what I mean? Like they people just welcome him, but if they don't like you, still you don't know, you don't. Uh, I mean, you don't have to care about it, you know.
Oh, okay, I see.
That's
Maybe.
just Mhm.
I'm sorry.
I said that's a personal because I've been one time I've been to the church and some people like I don't know where religion is from, but he just like, oh, your religion is suck, something like this, like that. I was like, it's okay, you know, you just have to deal with it. You can, you just have to listen to it. Maybe you don't have to listen to it and then go. You have to get going, you know.
Mm, okay.
Yeah, but they're welcoming
Oh, okay.
most. Yeah, I think yeah in London there's just so many religions.
Oh, wow. Let's be
Mm.
tolerant, right?
Yeah.
Maybe I will move for the next question. It's about the education. What do you think about the education in UK?
Education is I would say is excellent. I like it because I go to school here and then everything is great. You can go like if you have a skill, anything you can have anything you want. Like school and subject, there's every subject that you want to go to. You just have to be prepared, you know. Like there's every subject, but in college you only have to pick two about the education. Like I would say in the second because in here you go through the primary school, secondary school, and the college and university. That's the order, you know. So I'll start here. I start on a primary school. If you go in a primary school, you have every subject like mathematics, science, like every subject until you go into the secondary school. And then it's the same thing, every subject. But when you go to college, you only have to pick two, like which one you have most skill on or which one do you like. Like me, I take sport and business and management because that's where I like, you know.
Oh,
So yeah, and the way that they teach, I like it. The teacher, they're really good, you know. Like they don't whoop you, you know, like they don't clap you if you don't know something. They all just being really nice. So the education is good, and then it's really like I don't know, when they teach, they don't use they don't use a board no more. Now they just use computer and everything. So it's like technology in here now.
Oh,
They have a big TV, yeah,
wow.
so they can just draw in the TV. And in the university, maybe you have to get to 22 or 21 years old so you can go. If you're like 18 or 19, you just have to stay in college. Yeah.
So that's why a lot of people from several foreign countries would like to educate it in UK.
Yeah, because I think it's really high quality.
Oh,
High.
how about the teacher value and then how the systems of education in UK?
The system, if you're in the secondary school, you always get passed. You always pass to the next year until you go into the college. You always get passed. But if you, let's say your grade is 4.32, but you still pass
Oh, okay.
until you go into the college. And then if you don't pass, you have to do it in the next year again. If you don't pass again, you have to do it the next year again.
Wow.
Yeah. Like secondary school, you always pass.
Oh, that's fun.
Maybe same as Indonesia, if you're in university, if you don't pass it, you have to do it again next year.
Yeah. Every year we have
Mm-hmm.
to up and up.
I think the university, yeah, maybe the same rules as every country, I think.
Okay. I think that's enough for my questions. Thank you very much for your help. This is for maybe for the last. Maybe you have some closing to say for my friends maybe or my lecturer.
Okay. I'm really bad at this, but I think just focus, just whatever you dream of, just focus on it, and then maybe you can get it. Maybe just don't let your guard down. Yeah, I don't know what to say now, but I just hopefully you guys doing good and then get whatever you want to get.
Okay, that's all.
That's all. That's all.
That's
I'm
all.
I'm nervous.
Okay,
Nervous.
thank you very much, Mike.
It's
Oh,
okay.
thank you very
Don't
much
worry.
for help my assignment. I hope it's really have a beneficial for me and you. We can be friends, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Stop the record now. Stop it now.
Okay, I'll stop.